Gig workers often have unpredictable pay schedules, and cash advance apps are designed to help bridge the gap between earning money and receiving payment. By the end, you'll know which features matter most when comparing cash advance apps for gig workers and how to choose an option based on your income pattern. The best cash advance app for gig workers depends on how the app evaluates income, how quickly you can access funds, and what fees or requirements come with using the service. Unlike traditional employees with fixed paychecks, gig workers may receive money from platforms like delivery apps, freelance marketplaces, or independent contracts. Because income can change from week to week, the app's eligibility process matters. Apps such as Earnin, Dave, Bridget, Clover, MoneyLion, Instacash, and other cash advance services use different methods to determine access. Some may consider account activity, income deposits, or connected financial information, instead of only looking at a credit score. The first feature gig workers should compare is income verification. A good option should clearly explain what information it needs before approving access. Check the requirements before creating an account. The second feature is access speed. Some apps offer faster transfers than others, but faster access may come with additional conditions or costs. Review the transfer options and any related charges before requesting money. The third feature is repayment flexibility. Since gig income can vary, choose an app that clearly shows repayment timing and helps you understand when the money will be withdrawn. Another thing to compare is whether the app offers extra financial tools. Some cash advance apps include budgeting features, spending insights, or account management tools, while others focus mainly on providing access to earned money. Gig workers should avoid picking an app based only on the maximum amount advertised. The better choice is the one that matches your actual income schedule and makes repayment manageable. Before choosing an app, compare multiple options, review the current terms, and check whether your type of gig income meets the requirements. To summarize, gig workers should compare cash advance apps by income verification, transfer options, and repayment terms. The next step is to review a few apps side by side and choose the one that fits how you get paid. If this comparison helped you understand your options, like the video and subscribe for more practical money app comparisons.